Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to rename them in your iPhone. So, at first you need to open the settings. Here, go to the Bluetooth, and now in the My Devices list you should see Redmi Headphones Neo. Tap this info icon near them and tap Name. Now you can modify your name. You can do everything you want. Once you're done, tap this tick icon, tick a button right here. If you're on older iOS version like 18 or older, you need to tap OK button, but it's in the same location. Once you are done, you can just tap this button and you will be, of course, done again. If you want to bring back your name to the default one, just tap this X right here and again this tick. Of course you need to tap this, so yeah. And now you're done. Goodbye.